Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2026, how to fill in a shape. So as example, I will create a rectangle and with dimension 50. You can zoom in, you can draw again circle like in this point. If you want to fill this shape, you can use the hatch tools. You can tap hatch, press enter. Will be show for the hatch toolbar in your top menu, hatch creation, and you can click inside the shape to change into the color. You can change from the pattern into the solid. You can click here, pattern, click on solid. So it will be set into color. Click this option to change the color, like we set into this blue color. And you can click close hatch creation to apply. Okay, you can tap hatch, press enter, select inside the shape, and you can change into the solid option, and you can choose the color. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD 2026, how to fill in a shape. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.